4-year term of supervision. Figured in that time she'll either make it or not. And that's all I know.
Okay. Well, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
When you drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And I'll tell you right now, if your drug test is negative, then I will.
Right here is where the judge flips the script. Notice what just happened. She offered a deal based entirely on the drug test. That's not random. In probation cases, compliance is everything. A clean test equals credibility. A dirty test? That changes the entire trajectory of sentencing. So the real question is, why hesitate if you got nothing to hide?
Sentence you to a length of probation that's 4 years.
It's gonna be 30 because I'm on narcos right now from the hospital.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm on hydrocodone in the hospital. I just had a baby a week ago. So
And that's all it's going to be positive for?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll have my documents, sir. I can go there to see with the documents tomorrow if you want.
Oh, no, it will be a drug test today.
Okay. But the 5 years will be fine.
All right. So let's do a drug test today. How did you arrive at court today?
Friday.
Okay. Then she can get her drug test today, and I'll come back with the sentencing, and we'll let them know what medication she says she's going to be on, and there should be nothing else in her system.
Okay.
All right. Miss Abrams?
You have to go to lunch.
Oh, no, you won't have to pay for it. Miss Abrams, let's get her a drug test today. Now, let me ask you this before I send you for the drug test.
I don't want to do this.
Why not?
It was at this moment that she...
There it is. That single sentence just shifted the energy in the courtroom. When someone refuses a free drug test after claiming they just had a baby and are only on hospital medication, judges hear one thing: damage control. This is the moment where credibility starts collapsing. If you were in that courtroom, what would you be thinking right now?
She fucked up.
Why not? It's free.
Just because I was doing the 5 years.
No. Let's do a drug test. Okay. Unless there's something you want to tell me before I send you to go do your drug test.
Actually, yes. People have to confirm.
Or what?
For methamphetamine.
All right. So that's where we are.
I got drug and someone that mixed it for.
No. Don't do this thing where somebody's mixing drugs for you.
No. They told me something. There was one thing, and there was.
That shuts that down immediately. Why? Because courts hear the "someone put something in my drink" defense constantly. Without proof, it sounds like deflection. And here's the deeper issue. She just admitted she'll test positive for meth. That alone reframes this entire hearing from probation compliance to child safety concerns. And now the stakes are much higher.
No. You're not taking meds. You're telling me.
No, I am taking meds.
No, but here's the thing. You're telling me you just had a child, and she shouldn't be out partying with other people. She should be taking care of her child. So who is actually taking care of your child?
I am.
No. When you were out using drugs, where was your child?
I was my mom.
All right, so
I am taking care of my kids.
So her mom is taking care of her children.
No, I am. I have custody of them. They're at my apartment.
Here's the thing. Just because you have custody of a child doesn't mean that you're taking care of your child. And if you're using drugs, you're not taking care of your child.
This is an emotional turning point. The judge is no longer focused on theft or probation terms. She's focused on parenting. In family-related cases, drug use isn't just a personal issue. It becomes a public safety issue. That's why you hear the tone shift. It's not about punishment anymore. It's about protection. And once child welfare enters a conversation, everything escalates.
With that in mind, Your Honor, we concede to the 5 years term of probation.
All right.
You sentence her today according to.
Mm-hmm. No problem. All right. Court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And counsel, if she completes everything early, I'll consider early termination. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. How far did you go in school?
Hudson College. I got my medical building coding degree.
I'm sorry, what?
I got my medical building coding degree.
All right, there will be 50 hours deducted upon completion of parenting classes. There's to be no contact with Ingram Park Mall. Ramon Ramos, Devani Vasquez. Why were you stealing?
Honestly, I was just going through a hard time, to be honest. I was at a point in my life where it's just, I've been through it so much in my life, to be honest, and it gets hard, to be honest.
That still doesn't explain to me why are you not at HEB taking items from them. I'm not recommending you take it from there, but you were stealing from Dillard's department store. What were you taking from Dillard's?
A shirt.
Well, it was more than just a shirt because they said they were retrieve items from you.
It was just
Now we've crossed into serious territory. When a parent is expected to test positive for methamphetamine and has custody of children, judges are legally obligated to consider child protective services. This isn't optional. It's mandated concern. And notice how quickly the courtroom pivots from sentencing to intervention. That tells you the judge sees risk, not just wrongdoing.
Just 2 shirts?
Yeah, they're polo, very expensive.
All right, so why are you taking polos? And were those female polo shirts?
That's for my son.
How old is your son?
He's 12.
So why are you stealing polo shirts for?
This is for Easter trying to come to France.
I'm sorry, what?
It was for Easter trying to come to France.
I'm sorry, I can't understand.
It was for Easter trying to make my son look nice.
For Easter, so her son looks nice.
It was around Easter.
All right, isn't Easter the celebration of Jesus Christ? Right? So do you think Jesus weren't you stealing?
No, Mom. That's why I haven't. Ever since I was pregnant, I had really changed my heart and changed my mind.
All right, is Child Protective Services involved in your life?
No.
Do you know if they're in her life?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Because I will tell you right now, I have concerns because she has a child with her and she's going to test positive for meth. The felony theft course. Who stays with you?
Just me and myself.
Well, who's with your children right now?
My babysitter. My mom was sick this morning, so I couldn't leave my kids with her. Oh, my newborn. My kids are at school.
All right. Somebody called over and have a caseworker come over so they can talk to her. Just for they're not going to open the case. But you do need somebody to help you out.
I don't need anybody to help me out. I've been really good for the past 9 months.
You're telling me you're positive for meth. That's not being.
If someone sipped in my drink, yes. I was around the wrong people. I was just went out for a drink. I was at my friend's house, and that's it. That's the first time I hardly even go out. I don't go out at all.
There's going to be the felony theft course. There's going to be a TAP evaluation in custody. Follow recommendations of TAP. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else?
You want to do the TAP.
Yes. And the felony drug court and custody counsel, that will be done this week because it's early in the morning.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah.
I have to go pick up my son.
Okay.
Like, what?
Is there anything else?
Your Honor, when you said it's going to be this week, what?
What does it mean? So I'm going to jail?
Wednesday.
And if
I'm going to jail?
Wait a minute, I'm trying to find that. Okay, so
Come on.
and then once the felony drug court is done, then I'm
Please,
just done
Mommy,
there.
please go home to my son.
There's a $1,000 fine and that will be probated.
Please, Your Honor, please.
And then
You can trust
probation.
every week, and I promise I will come out.
probation, is there anything else?
And just like that, the ruling is final. 5 years suspended. 6 years probation, drug court, parenting classes, field visits. This isn't a light sentence. It's structured supervision. The judge built layers of accountability into every corner of her life. But here's the big question. Is this a second chance or the last one? Let me know what you think. Did the judge go too far or not far enough?